Guys, so today here is that second very small room upstairs on the second floor. The contractor, he did a great job with the ceiling, at least some of the popcorn ceiling part. And now I'm going to go ahead and put a nice color. And in this room, for a whole lot of reasons, I decided I am not going to paint the baseboards trim, but I am going to paint the floor a different color. And I've got to go get that paint later, but for now I'm just going to go ahead and paint the walls. I thought about the blue, nope. Thought about the yellow, yay, sort of a yellow. So yeah, the trim in this room is so nice. I just don't want to ruin it with paint. And I got this new edging thing, tape. It's the edging tape that actually has the little bit of plastic, so I won't make a mess. So wish me luck.